Hello there and welcome to Jason's Share One presentation. I have chosen OpenEd.com, which is a website run by the ACT people who give us the ACT test. This website has practice information for taking the test, as well as a lovely resource library of lesson plans, homework, videos, assessments for many different classes. So we can go here to the lovely search bar and find some assessments or lesson plans for many things. Here we have, I'm just going to choose the Next Gen Science Standards and find some lesson plans for that. Or space science, lesson plans for Next Gen Science, physical sciences, engineering, and life sciences. We're going to go over to the life sciences and see here we have a lesson plan for structures and processes for molecules to organisms. We have multicellular organisms lesson plans, assessments and videos, homeostasis lessons and videos, and others. So if you need a little lesson plan for something you're teaching coming up and you need some lesson plans, this is a fairly decent site to use to find some things to do if you're in a pinch. Let's see if there's anything else for different classes. Let's check out language arts. Language conventions, lesson plans, reading literature lesson plans, speaking and listening lesson plans, separated by grade level and unit, with links to standards. So there's that. That is the OpenEd.com website. Enjoy!